In today's video, we will have an inside look at Mobirich, a free Android app where you can earn money passively by receiving text automatically. I will show you step by step how to install the app on your phone, how much I've earned, withdraw a payment, and then show you my payment proof. There is no effort or investment needed from your end, simply install the app and get paid. Last year, I made a comparison between Money SMS and Make Money, two similar apps where you can also earn passive income receiving text on your phone, and in the comment section, someone asked me to do a review of the Mobirich app, so that's how I found out about it. So how does it work? Install the Mobirich app, make it the default program for receiving and sending messages, and set up a withdrawal of money through PayPal. It's that simple. Is it legal? We monitor the full compliance of the system with the latest requirements of the GDPR privacy policy. The application collects exclusively technical data or the quality of SMS delivery, which are specially sent through it. We do not read or use your private messages, their content, information about their senders, and so on. What does the app pay money for? SMS aggregators and SMS marketing services need to test the quality of their SMS delivery when they send them to subscribers from different countries. We pay you to use your phone number for this test. When you receive a message in Mobirich, the program automatically records how quickly and how well the message was delivered. It's that simple. You help us improve the quality of mobile operators, and we reward you for your help. Over 34 million tests were sent in total, 690,000 euros paid, or the equivalent of a bit over $750,000. And there are also over 70,000 registered users. They also claim that you can earn an income of up to 50 euros per month, although I will show you shortly once I open up the app that it's extremely unlikely to earn that much, but perhaps it depends on where you live. Let's start by installing the app. From your phone, you will need to go to mobirich.io, hit give it a try, and a message like this will pop up to install the app. Please note that it's the only way to install Mobirich, as it's not available on the Play Store. This also means that installing such apps are at your own risk, as stated here, therefore, the file might be harmful. I have personally been using a few similar apps, such as Money SMS, Make Money, Repay Me, SimCash, etc., and never had any issues. I made reviews of all these similar apps, and they will all be linked in the description below if you're interested. If you feel confident this is safe, hit download anyway. Once downloaded, open it up. For your security, your phone currently isn't allowed to install unknown apps from this source. You can change this in Settings. So hit Settings, which will redirect you to install unknown apps and enable Chrome or whatever browser you're using on your phone. Mobirich now prompts you to install the app, so let's go for it. It should take less than a minute, and then open the app. By default, you can sign in if you already have an account, but if you're watching this video, I'm guessing you don't, so hit sign up at the bottom and enter your email address, create a password, read the privacy policy and terms of use if you wish, agree and sign up. As I already have an account, I will sign in. Now before the app opens up, you will need to set Mobirich as your default SMS app. You can see I have a lot of options because I use a few similar apps. For example, Inbox is actually the default SMS app from Repay Me. There is also one from Money SMS and SimCash at the bottom. You will need to select Mobirich anyway and set it as default. Note that this is simply to open up the app. If you wish to continue using your normal SMS app, you can set it back to default and you will still earn money with Mobirich. It's just that each time you want to reopen Mobirich, you will need to set it as default again. Mobirich will need access to your device's location, as the text you will receive depends on your location. So I will allow this by selecting while using the app. I'm not sure what will happen if you select don't allow, but I'm guessing you would receive less text or no text at all. By default, the app's background is white, and I personally prefer the dark mode, and to enable this, go to the three lines on the top left and hit the moon. Dark mode is now enabled, and this looks much better, in my opinion. My SIM card is currently inactive. To enable it, just tap anywhere in this section, enable this option, and enter your mobile phone number below, including your country code. I live in Ireland, so my country code is +353. If you're not sure what yours is, simply Google country code, followed by the name of your country. Once entered, hit save, and that's it. Your SIM card should now be active. When closing Mobirich, you will see that it stays in your notification bar and should show that the service is running. If you tap on it, then the app will open up. On the top right, you will see how much money you've earned. In my case, I've earned 2 euros, which is enough to request a payment. In the middle, your mobile carrier, including your phone number, and it should show that it's active, as I've shown you during the installation of the app. I sent 0 SMS and received 62 SMS. To access your personal text, you can go to Messenger, and unfortunately, this is the only way to access your text if you set Mobirich as default. which is why I would recommend only setting Mobirich as default when you need to check how much you've earned. The little question mark is to guide you through the app. As mentioned earlier, these €2 are my total profit so far. Messenger is where you will find your text. This section is the settings of your SIM card. On the left, you can see how to earn more, right below your SMS price, and at the very bottom, the navigation panel. So how to earn more? Monitor the quality of your internet coverage. It's better to use Wi-Fi whenever possible. They also mention that if possible, you should keep your phone on charge to avoid blackouts, but I honestly don't see the point. About the SMS price, you will earn 2 cents per text received by the app and 25 cents per text sent. However, something doesn't really add up, unless I accidentally sent 2 texts through the app. Let's go to the balance section so I can show you what I mean. Here, if you hit the arrow, you can see the details of how you earn money. First, I earn a bonus of 26 cents. I took a few screenshots a few days ago when I earned some of these bonuses. This is what you will sometimes see when you don't receive text from the app. That day, they gave me 4 cents because of the reason below. We are sorry that you didn't receive many tests last week, but we're ready to give you a bonus for being with us. A few days before that, I received another bonus of 2 cents this time. I didn't take screenshots of all the bonuses I received from Mobirich, but this is what you should sometimes expect if you don't receive any text for a few days. Then I earned €1.74 from text I received from the app and €0 from outgoing SMS balance. The thing that doesn't add up is that I received €1.74 from text I received. However, they say that they pay 2 cents per text received. Therefore, I should have only earned €1.24 in total, as I received a total of 62 texts, and 62 times 0.02 equal €1.24. The only thing I can think of is that I sent 2 texts through the app. However, only one is showing as successful, which I will show you a bit later after I withdraw a payment. To do so, let's hit withdraw money. The minimum withdrawal amount is only €2 with PayPal. For USDT, the minimum is €10. By default, PayPal is selected and you just need to enter your email address below. I'm not sure what the phone section is, but it seems that you can redeem via PayPal with your phone number, which I've never heard about. And finally, you have USDT, which is a stable coin where 1 USDT is worth $1. I'm interested in PayPal, but there seems to be some fees associated with it. So this link is not very useful, as it just redirects me to the PayPal merchant fees, which doesn't tell me how much I will be charged. Okay, so I will withdraw the full €2 I have and enter my PayPal email address. And I can now validate. So it looks like it was successful. In the withdrawal history, you can see today, at the time of recording, that it's June 4th, 2023. So I will pause the recording and let you know once I receive my payment. I'm back and I did receive the payment. However, there are a few important things that you need to know. I emailed their support on June 11th, so 1 week after I requested my payment, to ask how long payments usually take via PayPal. They replied the next day, saying that withdrawals are usually performed within 7 business days, and that it is due to a completely manual process and high volume of withdrawal requests. 3 days later, on June 14th, 2023, I received the payment, so it took exactly 7 business days, as I requested it on June 4th, 2023, which was a Sunday. The only downside is that PayPal deducted a high fee of 46 cents, so in total, I received €1.54. Back to the app, there are a few more things that I wanted to show you. In balance and withdrawal history, they now show that the payment was successful. In my balance, I'm back to €0, as I withdrew all of it and didn't use the app since I requested the payment, as I first wanted to make sure that it wasn't a scam. In the settings and battery settings, this option should be ticked by default, and if not, I would advise you to tick it to ensure uninterrupted test processing when your screen is off. In outgoing SMS settings, you can see that I sold 1 SMS. However, when I did that, nothing seemed to have happened, and in my balance, it shows €0 in outgoing SMS balance. However, as I was mentioning earlier, I earned more than expected in my incoming balance, an extra 50 cents to be precise. Therefore, it seems that I actually sold 2 SMS instead of 1. Basically, the way it's supposed to work is that you can click on the plus sign to send a specific amount of text you want the app to send on your behalf and just hit save. I'm a bit skeptical and afraid of what kind of text might be sent from my phone number, and you won't be able to see what was sent and to whom, so I'm not going to try that again. If you have free unlimited text with your mobile carrier and are not afraid of what kind of text can be sent from your phone number, then the earnings potential is quite high. In the FAQ, a few common questions are answered, such as how can I withdraw my money, how much can I earn, etc. If you have a question that has not been answered, you can contact the support here at contact@mobirich.io, which is also available down here, so you can just tap on it to open up your email account such as Gmail in my case. To sum up, Mobirich is legit and does pay you, as I've shown you in this video. It took approximately 1 month for me to earn €2 with Mobirich, and if you combine the other similar apps I mentioned earlier, you could potentially earn much more completely passively. Let me know what you think of this app in the comment section, and thank you again Funnycat, the person that asked me to review this app. Thank you all for watching this video, and see you very soon.